Are you alive with your discovery sets also on quick commerce?
Yes, we are.
How do you see discovery sets? Like, do you see it as conversion? Do you see it as customer acquisition, or like do you see it as exploration?
We see it as brand experience.
An experience.
Discovery set is conversion can happen if the product is good, but discovery set is uh, it's like I think 1,000, 1,100 rupees for a discovery set. So you're basically getting one fragrance for 200 bucks. The best way to explore, I think, fragrances. Whoever created the discovery set was a genius. In fragrance category, I think Hermes first came up with it.
Really?
Yeah,
I had no clue.
yeah, long time ago they discontinued. There's less data on it, but this is what I've read. For us, we've always tried to solve one problem, that you need to make a good quality fragrance that a customer can wear every day, and the brand aspiration should be such that if it comes out of their bag, if it's sitting on their dresser, they are proud of it, not embarrassed of it. Some people use some fragrances in their car and they put it in the dash before anyone can see it. That's not the brand we want to be, right? So Discovery Set is a great experience for that. You understand the brand's fragrance DNA. You understand if it matches what you are looking for. So we see it as brand discovery and brand experience. Yes, we do get a lot of 50 ml orders after Discovery Set purchases. So it's definitely also a more cost-effective way to understand what you want.
Discovery set for travel purpose. It's like two in one. Travel भी solve हो रहा है, discovery भी हो रही है.
Put it in your bag, it can fit anywhere in your pocket. So yeah, that's how we look at Discovery Sets.
Are you planning to launch 100 ml as well?
No.
No, why not?
This is our belief as a fragrance brand that with so much paralysis of too many choices, it's very difficult to commit to a 100 ml bottle. Right? You want to keep trying more, especially right now when, the fragrance industry is going through something that the beauty industry was going through, say, 3-4 years ago. So people want to try more. They want to have more variety. And I think in that 50 ml is the sweet spot.
That's a very sweet spot.
Even if you want to commit, you don't want to overcommit.
Yeah.